Here we have four sentences. We need to fill in the gaps with to, to. What's the difference? Well, this to is a part of infinitive. It comes after verbs like want to, wish to, hope to, agree to, plan to. It could also be a preposition, like when you say, I go to a place, or I give something to someone. This to means the number two. Clear? And this double O2, it has two meanings. The first one is also, like when you say me too, it means also me. And the second meaning is over or extra. And in this case, you need to try the word very. If you can use the word very, so the correct answer is to double O. Like in the first example here. My room is blank dark. I can't see. Look guys, I can say my room is very dark. So I can use very dark here. So the correct answer is to double O. I hope blank see you again. Hope is one of the verbs followed by to, one O. So we use to, one O here. I love you. I love you too. Means I also love you. So to double O here because it means also. I have two sisters. Sarah, one, and Maria, two. So I mean the number sisters here. So the answer is to TWO. Give yourself a mark on each one. I got 4 out of 4. What about you? Who got 4 like me? Waiting you in the comments. Thank you for watching.